Hello my dear kids, how are you? Today we are going to discuss types of houses. Let's start. First one is tree house. A house on the tree is known as tree house. Next is igloo. A dome-shaped shelter built from block of solid snow that is known as igloo. Next is apartment. A flat, typically one that is well appointed or used for holidays, that is called apartment. Next is bungalow. This is bungalow. A low house having only one story or in some cases upper room sat on the roof, that is called bungalow. Next is karwa. This is called mobile house. Karma is a big house on a car, or it can be pulled by a car. You can sleep there, you can cook there. That is called a small house karma. It is a mobile house. It can move from one place to another. Next one is castle. This is castle. Castle is a large building with high walls and towers that was built in the past to defend people against attack. That is called castle. Next one is condominium. This is condominium. Condominium is a flat or a block of flat owned by the people who live in them. That is called condominium. Next one is cottage. This is cottage. Cottage is a small house, particularly a traditional or old-fashioned house, or one that is used seasonally. That is called cottage. Next one is dormitory. This is dormitory, and dormitory is a large bedroom with a number of many beds in it, especially in a school or in a hostel you can see. That is called dormitory. Next one is duplex house. This is duplex house. Duplex house is a residential building divided into two parts. This is one part and this is another part. That is called duplex house. Next one is houseboat. This is houseboat. A house in a boat. That is called houseboat. And this is a mobile house. It can move here and there in water, in lake or in river. Next one is hut. This is hut. This is hut. Hut is a small building with one room, usually made of wood or metal. That is called hut. Next one is lighthouse. This is lighthouse. Lighthouse is a tower or other structure containing a beacon light or warn light or guide ships at sea. That is called lighthouse. Next one is log cabin. This is log cabin. This is log cabin, a house or a hut built by split logs. That is called log cabin. It is only made by wood logs. That's why it is called only log cabin. Next one is manor. This is called manor. Manor is a large house in the country that has land around it. That is called manor. Next one is tent house. This is called tent house. Tent house is a structure made by cloth and held by poles and ropes. You can use tent to sleep in when you go on camping. Next one is stilt house. This is stilt house. Stilt house is a house raised on stilts, or you can say piles. These are stilt or piles over the surface of the soil or a land or a body of water. That is called stilt house. Next one is mansion. This is mansion, a very large, a very big house called mansion. And the next one is skyscraper. This is skyscraper, an extremely tall building that is known as skyscraper. So kids, here we learn about types of houses. I have made many videos on other topics also. If you want to watch them, then go to channel and watch all the videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach, and don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.